I'm Guy Cook. I think it's about having a custom error page for your content. So if someone puts in a mistyped address or a file that's no longer there, whatever, instead of having it be a dead end and saying, oh, that file's not found, see you, bye, it gives them an engagement page by having that custom error page that you built into the site. So they're not going to get that generic message anymore. They're going to keep your guests around a little bit longer and offer them some quick links on how to find what they're looking for. And that's going to, in turn, slash down your bounce rates for people leaving the site. Okay? So having a custom 404 page, that's the way to go. It's 2024. It's time to get with it. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcookreport.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.